If you have tried all means, and that belly fat is still not ready to bid adieu, try these tips and you will be surprised to see how fast they cut that fat. Before moving further, I would like to request you, please subscribe my channel. You can also share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit the like button. Number 1. Start your day with lemon water. Lemon water is an excellent drink for weight loss. Lemon juice helps your body get the nutrients it needs to burn fat into energy and stop weight gain. Make sure to keep drinking lemon juice even after you lose weight, to keep your new weight. Number 2. Choose the fruits and vegetables wisely. Go for the veggies and fruits, which can help to flush out the toxins from your body and drain the body completely. The complex carbs from these vegetables are digested more slowly than simple carbs, so you'll remain full longer. And because veggies are mostly water, they also help flush out excess water weight. 3. Exercise. If you really want to lose weight in a healthy way, there's no way to escape from regular exercise and activity. Doing a mix mild and hard physical activity will help you lose weight and control your weight. It also lowers the risk of chronic diseases like type 2 diabetes, heart disease, strokes, and some cancers. It's best to set a certain time slot in your day for your exercise routine so that you do not skip it. Number 4. Eat less salt and sugar. We all know that sugar is one of the main culprits for gaining weight around your stomach. So, skipping sugar is a pretty good idea to get flat tummy. Likewise, salt in excess leads to water retention around your abdominal areas and runs the risk of making you pot-bellied. So for getting flat and slim belly, stay away from processed food, as they are laden with a lot of salt. 5. Drink mainly water. A sports or energy drink, fruit smoothie, or light beer. Each serving contains about 100 calories. Water, on the other hand, has 0 calories and carbs and little to no sodium, making it the perfect slimmed-down drink. Make it a point to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily to keep the constipation away and boost the metabolism. Weight loss tips given above are all natural way of reducing weight from belly. These tips surely help in reducing tummy fat and giving you a flat belly very fast. If you want more tips to lose belly fat or stomach fat, don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos.